Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by protecting the system. Create a restore point and backup display profiles. Once done, open Settings Apps or Programs and Features and locate NVIDIA Control Panel or NVIDIA Graphics Driver. Make sure to quit NVIDIA processes in Task Manager first. This prevents locked files. Then choose Uninstall and follow the prompts to remove the Control Panel component. You do this now because removing running services avoids incomplete uninstalls and leftover files that cause later problems. Next, you remove driver remnants. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click NVIDIA and choose Uninstall Device. Check Remove Driver Software when offered. After that, restart into safe mode and run Display Driver Uninstaller to clean registry keys and driver folders. The removes shell extensions and control panel remnants. Once the finishes, reboot normally. If you want the control panel gone but drivers present, install only the driver core and graphics. Otherwise, skip the NVIDIA software bundle. To finish, manually remove leftover folders under Program Files and Program Data and clear temporary files. Then, if comfortable, run regedit and remove NVIDIA keys under HKLM/software and HKCU/software. Make sure you exported keys first. Restart the system and confirm NVIDIA Control Panel is gone. If the Control Panel reappears, reinstall the NVIDIA driver using a custom install and uncheck the Control Panel. Then run the again. That single troubleshooting step resolves most stubborn returns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.